Big transformations don't start with massive plans. They start with one brave action. For instance, the honest conversation you've been avoiding. The morning walk you've been promising yourself but not doing. The commitment to put your phone down and look your spouse and your kids in the eyes for a change. Those are the small steps that gets things rolling. You don't need to see the whole path. You just need to see the next step and then take it. Number 3, anchor yourself in habits, not in hype. Because motivation fades, but rhythm sustains. Start designing simple, repeatable habits that keep your compass steady. Things like morning journaling, quiet reflection, maybe a workout, gratitude practice before you sleep. Every small discipline you keep is a declaration of who you are becoming.